Nung yaman-yaman babayaran.
I've been feeling so small.
Yung metong
Watch
simpleng
the
crispy pa.
clock ticking off the wall. But
Absolute recommend, guys.
Go spend my coin for sure.
Naan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
We also help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. And that is you. For today's vlog, this is our second time to feature Jack's Kitchen. Right now, they have opened their physical store. We're gonna introduce the food that they're gonna serve us today. If you're interested to know more about the dishes that they serve, as well as the delivery options,
Yeah.
be with us.
So tara, let's
Let's
go!
Me, no, nothing can break me.
Kaya ako po pala Ian Pantig, owner na ng Jack's Kitchen. April 2 ka rin yan start in Jack's Kitchen. Nag-start siya kung metong simpleng crispy pata. Tang the way na usual na gagawa na kasing tatangkuing crispy pata kanita po. And then later on, may dagdag na kaming kay menu, marakal tatangkilik. So hanggang ketang may kapag-save kami pera para talaga may physical store sa happening Jack's Kitchen. So ating kaming open area, ating kaming more air conditioned area. Kinakuha ko mo dong rider iwali ko, ang iwali na ng asawa ko, pa-deliver ko lang kanila. Tapos good feedback, 2 months na kami mag-operate. Marakal pa rin ako pansin na mantong mura, na sulit. Kanyan may paluwalit ang bento meals. Adwayang ulam, ating niya pang vegetable, kaya ba Jack's fried rice. 119 pesos. Bisa kami mo rin kasing sumawo. Kareng tawag magkasakit. Alim mo itang para burimi marakal kami mo rin adinan obra. Kasi the more na order, marakal kami order, the more na riders yung kukunan. Doon kami kay kitchen, sa pinsan ko, Jonathan. Ang po itang metong kong chef, Chef Fabian. So malambad ko ng kayabe. So, 30 years experience sa king kitchen. So piyabe-yabe mi itang ganaganang balo mi. Para ako mi itang laksa na talaga ng Pilipino. Laksang Kapampangan. Worth the wait yata. Kaya mong portion na, kaya pang laksa na. Ang po itang freshness na ng pangaluto.
I'm gonna make mistakes.
So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you for being with us in this video, coming up with an idea, coming up with the purpose. And grabe naman yung pagkain natin dito, guys.
So sa amoy pa lang, masarap na.
At saka talagang palaban.
Yes.
Look at the sizes, guys.
So
Dito.
on our table,
Yep.
so we have kalderetang kambing, bulalo, meron din tayong hoisin chicken,
And this is the Texas-style beef belly. And in the middle, guys, check this out. This is the crispy pata kare-kare. This is their Jack's Kitchen fried rice.
So,
naman.
ito yung magkokompleto dun sa mga ulam na nandito.
Exactly.
Watch the clock.
I'm gonna go first with their kalderetang kambing. So I think this is the food na rarely na rin nasa-serve.
Yes.
This is one of our native dish that we are really proud of. Alright, so taste testing their kalderetang kambing for the first time. Grabe. So this is the dish that call out a lot of rice. Napakalasa nito.
Same time, ang lambot
Yeah.
Malasa, mapapakanin ka talaga.
Check that out. Ooh, that is so tender. So yung beef belly nila has good amount of yung fat. Really good size of meat. A little bit of everything. Kumbaga. Oh, wow.
Legit yung sarap niya. Legit din yung lambot niya.
Yes.
Rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Siyempre, magsasabaw muna tayo.
Bulalo.
Bulalo.
So lalong-lalo na ngayon, panahon na medyo tag-ulan. So you can actually order this and then have it as your dinner.
As low as 290 pesos, matitikman mo na yung Jack's bulalo nila.
So yung bulalo nila, guys, super lasa niya, sarap ng lasa niya. And what I additional na nagustuhan ko dito, hindi siya sumasebo. So let's jump into the next dish. So this is hoisin chicken. Of course, when they put in yung ganyan flavor, meron pa rin siyang Kapampangan cake.
Yeah. Hindi sila nagsaserve dito part by part.
Yes.
So, sinaserve nila as a whole.
As a whole.
No, nothing can break me.
Grabing nag-enjoy din ako. I was really stunned and surprised na ganun kalasa yung ano nila, hoisin chicken. Considering it's a huge, na-contain pa rin nila yung juiciness ng chicken. We come to the, last dish, but definitely not the least.
Yes.
We are saving the best for last, kumbaga. So this is their crispy pata kare-kare.
Literal na crispy pata siyang buo na linagay sa kare-kare sauce.
Let's taste it.
My breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Masarap siyang partneran doon sa bagoong nila.
Sobrang lambot. Literally, guys, falling off the bone. It is so tender from the crispy crust, which is yung balat, up to the
Yung laman niya mismo.
laman.
Doon sa mismong pata pa lang masarap.
Yeah.
At the same time, dinagdagan mo pa ng sauce ng kare-kare. Perfect.
Mag-open kami, sir, 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Kining Caltex Gasoline Station, harap na ng HP, diagnostics, along itang rotonda kining going to Pandan to AUF to San Fernando. Invite na kayo munta kining Jack's Kitchen para takman niyo yung luto mi. Siguradong mag-enjoy kayo, promise. Nung yaman-yaman babayaran.
Grabe for the food experience, for the taste experience. Absolute recommend, guys. From Balacat, Angeles, or
And
San
San
Fernando,
Fernando.
they got a free delivery. So don't hesitate to order. They have their own in-house riders. And we would like to thank Jack's Kitchen for inviting us and allowing us to introduce the food to you guys, our We're in Pampanga community.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga at Arangas Discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.